You are going to love the 2026 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power sunroof, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, skid plates, four-wheel disc brakes. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.